Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we will go through some important concept of Spark structure streaming. So let's start the video. In our previous video, we wrote a code that could read files in real time and write the output to a file. During this process, we encountered some unique terms such as output mode, checkpoint location, and trigger interval. Let me explain what these terms mean. When defining a stream writer, trigger method specifies when the system should process the next set of records, as this is called trigger interval. By default, if you don't specify a trigger interval, data will be processed every half second. Or you can specify a fixed interval so that the data will be processed in micro batches at your specified interval. For example, let's say it's 2 minutes. You can run your streaming in a batch mode to process all the available records at once using trigger 1 option or available now option. For both the cases, the trigger will stop on its own once finished processing the available records. The only difference is that with trigger 1s, will process all the records in a single batch, whereas available now will process all the records in multiple micro batches. Checkpoint directory. Checkpoint directory is used to store the state of a streaming application. This includes information about processed records, offset, and any stateful transformation. It ensures fault tolerance and allows the application to recover from failure. So, to use checkpoint directory, we have to pass checkpoint location. You need to specify the checkpoint location using checkpoint location option before running a streaming query. It's recommended to use a durable storage like HDFS or some cloud storage. If you open a checkpoint directory, it contains commits, offset, source as the top level directory. Then they typically contains subsequent directories representing batches of the data processed. For example, 0, 1, and 2, corresponding to the batch numbers. The parent directory 0 acts as the initial namespace when a streaming query starts. It helps manage metadata about the processed data. In our case, we executed input file 001 from input folder in batch 0, which is mentioned in the file 0. In case of a failure, Spark can recover and resume processing from the last checkpoint state. This prevents data loss and ensures data consistency. Output mode. Streaming jobs have 3 types of output mode. Append mode, which is the default output mode. In this mode, only newly appended rows are incrementally added to the target table with each batch. Complete mode. In this mode, the entire result table is outputted to the sink after every trigger, causing the target table to be overwritten with each batch. Update mode. Only the rows in the result table that have been updated since the last trigger will be outputted to the sink. So friends, in today's video, we have seen what is output mode, what is checkpoint location, and what is trigger intervals. So with these concepts, I will wrap up this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such video. Thank you.